Welcome to the new video in our Matlab Tutorials playlist. Today we will cover plotting in parallel, whether plotting several graphs on the same figure or on different figures. Our objective will be to plot several sine waves. The used command are hold on, hold off, figure, and plot. Let's begin. First, initialize our x from 0 to 10 using 100 points. Then our y equal cosine x. Using the plot command, we will see the sine wave on the right. Now, let's determine our new equation z equals sine x and then plot it. As you can see, the graph changed to the sine wave. Then, what if we want to plot both equations in the same graph? Here comes the hold on command. Now we can plot as many equations as we want on the same figure. If you want to turn off this feature, we can easily write hold off, and now each plot will be on a new figure. For example, let's draw a 3 points line. As expected, the two waves disappeared and only the line is visible. Reusing the hold on command, we can now draw several equations on the same figure as follows. Now let's clear the command window and the workspace and try drawing those equations in different figures. Let's define our x, then our y equal cosine x, our z equal sine x, m equals sine 2x. We forgot to add the asterisk between the 2 and x. Now we will use the figure command. As you saw, the figure command brought up a new figure or a plain new figure without any drawings. Using our plot function, we can easily draw our sine wave or the y equation using another figure. By initializing it to f2, we will get a new empty figure. Now let's use another plot function using the z equation, and we will see the cosine wave. Let's initialize a new figure called f3 and plotting it using the m equation. Now I will show you how to manipulate the attributes in this figure command. We can write name. Let's change name. Color, let's make it blue. Now as we can see, figure 1, let's change the name, is now written and the color is blue. We can also remove the name title, written like figure 1, figure 2, and so on, by using the attribute number title using the M and T capital and initializing it to off. Now, as you can see, it's removed. This is it for today, and thank you. See you soon.